Liability can be transferred back to your third parties when you get satisfactory assurances that the third party has implemented and maintains a security and privacy program. But it is also important to note that this is an active, not passive process. Good examples of what satisfactory assurances are not would be just changing the language in the contract or getting verification that an individual working on that contract has completed security and privacy training. Satisfactory assurances will demonstrate that you have made a good faith effort to make sure that the third party has systemically addressed, as an organization, the issues of data security and privacy. The following steps are a good example of what satisfactory assurances could look like. The first step is to change the language in the contract. There are two things that should be added to the contract. First is a requirement that the third party implement and maintain a security and privacy program. The second is an indemnification clause stating that the third party is responsible for the actions of its employee. Step 2 is to offer the third party an effective, inexpensive solution to help them put a program in place. You may even wish to require them to use this program. This does not mean you should offer to pay for the program, but by making a program available to them, they can't say that they can't afford a reasonable solution or don't know where to find one. Requiring them to use a specific program has the additional value that you know exactly what they've implemented and that it meets your standards. And having an effective program in place does far more to actually reduce your overall risk of loss. And finally, get affirmative notice that they have actually implemented the program. In our case, the program includes a certificate that states the organization has implemented the policies and procedures and outlines how many employees have completed the training. In the download section of this tutorial segment is a legal description of this mechanism that you can give to your attorney if needed, or to any third party that attempts to dispute this position.